Hey guys, R4GE VipeRzZ here, and today I'm going to show you how you can show the bookmark bar and add bookmarks to it in Google Chrome. So there are two methods you can use. You can either press Ctrl, Shift and B on the keyboard, and that will show the bookmark bar. Alternatively, you can click the three dots in the top right hand corner, then come down to Bookmarks and Lists, and then click Show Bookmarks Bar. Now at the minute, as you can see, none of my bookmarks are actually in it, and if I come up to my star up here, as you can see, YouTube is already bookmarked as the star is dark blue. So now to add the bookmarks to the bar, if we then come to the three dots again and we come to Bookmarks and Lists, and then we go into Bookmark Manager, or alternatively you can press Ctrl, Shift and O, and then on the left hand side, hopefully you should be able to see there is the Bookmarks bar tab, and there is the Other Bookmarks. So if you click on the Other Bookmarks, as you can see, this is currently all of my bookmarks, and then you can just click and select one of them, or if you want to select certain ones, you can hold down Ctrl and click on the ones you want, or if you want to select all of them, you can select the top one, hold down the Shift key on the keyboard, and then click the bottom one, and that will select all of them like so. So once you've selected the ones you want on the bookmark bar, you can click and hold down with the left button, and then drag them to the Bookmarks bar tab. So if we let go over that, that will then add the bookmarks to the Bookmarks bar tab, and as you can see, they have now been added. So guys, that's as simple as it gets. If you like the video, don't forget the like button. If you dislike it, hit the dislike button. Subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you another time. Bye.